Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another simple but powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so you first of all click on this F icon. After clicking on that, you search for your moving average. Alright, so you click on the main window plus icon to search for the moving average, right? Now these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close, right? The level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done, right? The next indicator we have here is relative strength index, right? You click on this main window plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. The period is 10, the period is 1, apply to is close. The level you make it 90 and 10, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. The time frame is all time frame. The style you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel, and then you click on done. The next is moving average. You click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, you search for your moving average. Alright, so you use the same setting as the first moving average, right? After that, you click on done. The next indicator we have here is Ichimoku. Alright, so you click on this indicator window 1 plus icon again, then you search for your Ichimoku, right? Now you set everything the same as you are seeing here. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 52. You unfill it, right? The time frame is all time frame. Now the Tenkan-sen is color blue, 3 pixel, right? Then the remaining one, you make it the color of your background. You use 1 pixel for them. Okay, then after that, you click on done. Now once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy. Okay, is for growing small account. Okay, even a beginner can use the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you are interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact. Okay, it's a VIP strategy, that's why I cannot post it here for everyone to see. Okay, so if you want to really grow your small account, all right, even if you're a beginner, then you come get this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, now that's that about that. Okay, that's that about that. Now back to this strategy right here. Okay, now this is how the strategy work. All right, now there are few conditions. All right, there are few conditions you need to observe before you go into the market with this strategy. Okay, and it's a very simple strategy. Okay, so make sure to listen to everything I'm going to be explaining here. Okay, now the first thing is that you want to see a spike in the market. All right, so whenever there's a spike in the market, you check your indicator window right here. Now you see this blue line and this black line, they needs to be touching the 90 level. All right, so once there's a spike and you see the blue and the black line touching the 90 level, right, that is condition number 1 being met. Now the condition number 2 is that you see this blue line. All right, it needs to cross below the black line on the indicator window. All right, so once it crosses below the black line on the indicator window, again you observe the main chart. All right, the candlestick, the small tick here, needs to cross below the red moving average on the main chart also. All right, so this one is going to cross first, then you wait for this one to also cross on the main chart, and then after immediately it crosses, immediately you see the crossing happen, you wait for that particular candlestick that will be crossing below the moving average. Immediately the candlestick closes. All right, immediately another one start forming, then you go in for your sell. All right, this is boom 1000, so you do the opposite on crash. All right, on crash 1000 you are going to be buying. So here on boom we want to be selling only. Okay, so you pick 5 candles. All right, immediately it closes, you pick the next 5 candles that will follow, and then you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. Make sure you stick to the rules, guys. Immediately it closes below the red line, you pick your 5 candles. All right, so let me show you guys another example again. Now you can see price got to the, all right, this is not a good one. All right, we need sure entries only. All right, something that will not fluctuate. So as you can see here, the black and the blue are touching the 90 level, right? Now you wait for the blue to cross below the black. You wait for same thing to happen on the main chart, price crossing below the red line on the main chart, right? Then immediately it closes below the red line. You pick your 5 candles and then you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, so I don't want to waste much of your time. What you need to do is to backtest the strategy, or you demonstrate it for like a week or two. All right, make sure you practice it very well by yourself and see that the strategy is working by yourself. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Make sure you do the practical yourself so that you know if the strategy is working or not. Okay, so I think that's going to be all, guys. If you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and don't forget to give the video a like if you are getting value from it. Okay, so I think I'm going to be ending the video here. All right, for the zoom level, you zoom out completely, you zoom in 2 times. Okay, you zoom in 1 2 times, and that's it. Okay, for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. All right, go check it out and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.